Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a user control program. Okay, so I've created a project in my Visual Studio 2019 and I've added some user controls to it. So once you create a project you have your main form. Then I added a menu strip item and I came here and selected insert standard items. So once you click that, you are going to get the standard items, and next you go to your project and right click. You go to your project and right click and go to add a user control. So once you add a user control, you're going to give it a name and click add. Once you add it, it's going to appear here. Okay, so I've added two user controls. One I named it login window and the other one I named it main window. Okay, so in my main window, in my form load event you can see that I've typed some codes here, and what the code actually does is that it creates a new instance of the login window and makes the parent of the login window to become this form 1. So then next it shows the form, and next it tries to set the doc style of the form of the login window. Now over to my login window, I've added some controls here, and I've added some controls here. Okay, so and I have added a button here too. So what the button will do is in the click event of the button, first of all check if the text is empty and we display the correct message. Next, we try to, if the text is not empty, we try to hide the form. Okay, so after validating your user or doing whatever stuff you want, next you need to hide the form, and then or you can close the form. But if you are to close the form, then the close should come down here. Okay, so that by that time you would have performed every other functions you need. Something like this, you say close here. Okay, looks like we cannot close this, we cannot close this. Okay, so remember this is a user control. And next thing I did is that I actually came down here and displayed the main window this time around. So to display the main window, you simply create a new instance of the main window class, and then you give it a parent. The parent will become the parent of this login window, and of which that is going to be our form 1. And next we also show it and then set the doc style of it. Okay, so with that I'm going to run this program, and at start is going to at start of our form 1 is going to load the login window. Alright, so with that we type our username and our password and click login. Immediately it loads up our form 2. So that is it. Now other things you may need to do before you get these things working is that you need to set, if you go to your login window, I selected my group box and I went down to this place and set the anchor property to be none. In that way it avoids setting it, pushing it up to this point whenever you run your program. Okay, and I did the same thing on my main window. I selected the data grid view and I had to set it to none too. So but this time around I might decide to change it. I can decide to say okay, now I want to dock it this way. Now if I run the program, you will see how it's going to look like. Okay, let me just type username, password, login. Now we have something like this. Okay, it looks like, okay, I didn't dock it to the top, that's why it's giving us a little problem. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching, and I do hope you subscribe to this channel to get more interesting videos. You can give me a challenge and I will do them for you. Okay, I can also work on your projects, maybe expensive projects. I've done a lot of stuff. I've worked on a lot of projects, including betting applications, betting sites, and online schools and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you, and I do hope you subscribe and come around next time. Thanks.